Diane and Denmark here, day 3 of our 5-day virtual retreat, Ready, Set, September. I hope you are ready to go. I'm ready to go, channeling my granny. We're my granny's crystals today. And just a reminder that if you are feeling overwhelmed with everything in your life, if you feel like you're constantly working on stuff but not getting things done, this is the ideal spot for you to be this week. We're working together. I'm the best motivator on the web, and we're just working on self-care, doing a little bit of house management. And I'm going to be honest with you here. Today I've got a bit of a case of the blahs, not a serious thing. And remember, if you're feeling down for several days, keeps repeating, please get outside help. But I'm just talking about the blahs, you know, the hormonal ones that we get from time to time, or I get it often with the being on social media and beginning to, you know, that self-doubt comes creeping in. These are the days that my routines and the self-care, they are really there for me. That's the thing that carries me through. I'm putting one foot in front of the other, and I know this too shall pass, and I'm going to get there. So just a little bit of encouragement. If you've been feeling like that, hang in there with us. Carry on with these steps because really it's going to change things for you. So what we're doing today, well, it's Wednesday. I've got a mission for you, an extra mission. But first, we're going to take our temperature. We've been doing that the last couple of days. And if you missed the beginning of the series, please go back and join from the beginning. I've also got a packing list for our virtual retreat if you want to know what we packed and ideas for your pamper basket. But we're going to take our temperature, so get your notebook out, turn over the next page, fresh page, Wednesday, house and self. How do you feel today about the house? Scale of 1 to 10, 1 is it's dragging you down, and 10, come on Diane, you can come over and I'll give you a big house tour. Okay, you got that number? And then the next one, how are you feeling today? Just how are you feeling? 1 is you woke up this morning, you wanted to pull the covers over your head and stay in bed all day. Or 10, you couldn't wait to get started. And the reason I've been asking you to do that is it gives us a very good idea of where we are. Is there balance going on? What is it that we perhaps need to focus more energy on? I do this with my coaching clients, and I always tell them that when people want my one-on-one help, it's always one of 3 problems that we're dealing with. It's either the stuff, there's too much stuff, or you are downsizing, you've added a baby to the mix, how to organize this stuff and what to do with it. Or the structure or lack of structure in your day that is causing you to feel like we're always doing stuff, but we're never fully in charge, or we just can't relax. And then the third thing that can be a problem is that our daily joy has gone missing. We need to go and find it. And you might not notice that on a day-to-day basis, but sometimes we look back and think, wow, 5 years ago I had so much more energy and I was doing all these activities and inviting people over, and now things are a struggle, a challenge, or just downright boring. And that's what we're here to change this week. So have a look at your numbers and just be aware that if you're putting in like a 10 for yourself or a 10 for the house, that can also be a kind of warning sign. Because I've had clients before who, you know, said the house was a 10, but they were so focused in on the house, everything else, their joy, their relationships with the family, work, were all suffering. So we need a bit of balance here. And if you need help with these kind of things, I've got a whole Flylady refresher course playlist where I talk about individual challenges. Anyway, let's go with today. Your mission for today, let me grab a timer. Your mission for today, should you choose to accept it, and guess what, we are in the bathroom. You're going to spend, yes, you sitting there, you're going to spend 10 minutes working in the bathroom. Now, you can do whatever you want. You can clean, you can declutter, but I think it's a really good idea to do a wee spot of decluttering. Look through what you've got in the cupboards, Because I'm guessing that in your cupboard you've probably got shampoos or face masks or styling products or hair wands or things that you're either not using or that you could be using. So think about that. My daughter was here last week and we were going through some of her things, and she passed on to me some bath bombs. She doesn't have a bath in her Copenhagen apartment, only a shower. Bath bombs and some face masks. So let's declutter in here. Add a bit of hygge, maybe you can add a candle. I've got little, I don't know if you can see that there, picking up the fairy lights around the bath. I've got some LED fairy lights that can be recharged, USB stick. Let's add a little hygge to this area, because yesterday we were doing that in the bedroom. Did it feel nice when you went to bed last night? Were you able to sleep, get a better sleep? Did you wake up this morning? It was really nice to get ready for the day. That's what we're working towards, just every day making things just a little bit nicer for ourselves and putting ourselves up front and centre. And how did you get on yesterday with that little extra mission where I said you to plan some play for yourself? Did you do that? I've got some fun play planned for me tonight. I'm taking part with my ladies group along with thousands of others at the big DHL run and walk. I'm walking it this year, and we've all to wear something pink. We've got our special t-shirts. One of my self-care things today in honour of the run tonight is that I need to redo my nails, so I'm going to be painting my nails. And for your extra boost mission today, do something for your mind or your body. Shave your legs, do a deep treatment in your hair, book a hair appointment, book a doctor's appointment, join a gym, download a meditation app, something that's going to change either your body or your mind, okay, where we're looking after ourselves in all different ways. And I hope you read the comments yesterday, all the favourite dishes and meals, because that gave me great inspiration for my menu planning. Did you menu plan yesterday as part of Flylady Plan and Play? Anyway, moving on to today, I want you to comment with a piece of motivating music that you use. And when I'm talking about motivating, it doesn't have to be upbeat and fast for kind of working out. I'm also thinking about music that really helps you concentrate, or maybe sweeps you off to somewhere else, or maybe you have a fantastic meditation app that you want to share with us, a great podcast, anything that kind of nurtures us in a different way, with feelings or with sounds. I find that those kind of things super motivating. And I use music and podcasts and audiobooks when I'm doing the kind of day-to-day chores like cleaning the bathroom. I'll put on my headphones and listen to that. So if you've got a fantastic, as I said, meditation app, a house music playlist, let me know down below. And with that, I'm going to set my timer and get going. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. I will see you tomorrow for day 4 of our virtual retreat. Remember to keep on diving into your pamper basket. I'll send you off your merry way with a rap, rap, rap. Okay, bye for now.